Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 GMC Acadia Denali. Stock number is A6870. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. The billet chrome grille adds a sharp feel, and it is a Denali exclusive, so you know exactly what it is right away when you see it. 20-inch chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating. You do have a rear-facing entertainment center here. Up top, dual sunroofs and a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end now. Dual point exhaust. Rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your navigation, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.